Welcome to Shastra class. Namaste Vidya, खुश रहो. Today we are going to discuss the topic on Manasila. Manasila in English is known as real girl. In Hindi it is known as Mansil, and with various Sanskrit synonyms like Nepalika, Managupta, Kunati, Nagamata, Kalyanika, Manohara, Rasanetrika, Nagajivika, Managja, etc. Real girl in English it is an arsenic sulfide mineral, also known as ruby sulfur or ruby arsenic, often found in associated with related materials like orpiment AS2S3. It is orange red in color, melts at 320 degrees centigrade. The name comes from Arabic Rahaz al-Gar or powder of the mines, hence it is also known as real girl. It is occasionally occurs in its pure form in nature, but it is most commonly found in the chemical combination with sulfur or oxygen, or with such metals as cobalt, copper, iron, nickel, silver, etc. Most commonly it is available in Burma, China. In India it is found in Uttar Pradesh. There is no much difference in Haritala, that is orpiment, and Manasila, that is real girl. Chemically, it is mentioned in Ayurveda Prakash that Manasila is a type of Haritala. Haritala is yellow in color, whereas Manasila is red. It is red, shiny, heavy, and pieces of different shapes with red, yellow, and black spots. Manasila is insoluble in water, but soluble in hot and concentrated nitric acid. It is a deadly poisonous substance. It is fragile and gets easily powdered. Regarding its variety, according to Rasratna Samuchaya, it is of three types: Manasila Tridha Prokta, Shyamangi, Manaviraka, Khandaksya, Cheti, Tadrupam, Vividam, Parikatyate. So it is the Shyamangi is Hingulavat. In the Ayurveda Prakash again describes Shyama Hingulavat. The Shyamangi variety is like Hingula, reddish color, Rakta, Kinchit Pita, slightly yellow, Aditipika, it is the shiny color, and Kanaviraka is Raktavarna, reddish color, Churna Rupa, it is powdery form, Ati Bhara Yuktam, it is heavy in specific gravity, Kinchit Rakta Cho Gauraso, Dvikanda Bharavattara. The Khandaksya is of Dvikanda and it is Kinchit Raktavarna, slightly reddish color, and yellow color also. So the Grahya Swarupa, acceptable variety of Hingula according to Ayurveda Prakash is Shyama Hingulavat Rakta Kinchit Pita Atidipika Kanavira Raktavarna Churnarupa Ati Bharayukta Kinchit Rakta Cho Gaura Dvikhanda Bharavattara. Acceptable quality Manasila Silakhanda Sunya Raktatpala Prabha Bhara Guruttara Dipta Sadhanarha Matabudhi. According to Rasadrangani, Manasila should be acceptable quality should be Silakhanda Sunya, without any soil or sand. Raktatpala Prabha, reddish color like Utpala Puspa, and Bharata Gurutara, the specific gravity should be more. According to Rasatna Samuchaya, the best qualities of Manasila taking for Sodhana are free from physical impurities, Rakta Prabha, and red color, radiance, heavy and shiny. According to Rasatna Samuchaya, Syamangi should be blackish, reddish, and yellowish heavy. Pranabhiraka should be Tejaswini and Tamravarna but not yellowish. Khandaksya should be Churna Swarupa, dark red and heavy. Based and continuing more amount of Sattva, that is Khandakya, is much better than Pranabhiraka than Syamangi. Syama Rakta, So Gauracho, Bharadya, Syamika Mata, Tejaswini Cha, निर्गोरा ताम्राभ्या कणवीरका चुन्नी भूता अतिरक्तांगी सवारा खंडपूर्विका उत्तरोत्तर श्रेष्ठा भूरी सत्वा परिकृतिका. शोधन. सो अगस्त्य पत्र त्वयेन भाविता सत्वपातकम शुंगवेर रसैर्वपि विशुद्धयति मनसः. So it should be purification process. According to Rasatna Samuchaya should be Manasila should be purified by processing with juice of red flowered variety of Agastya, Sesbania grandiflora or Adraka Swarasa, with a ginger juice for 7 times. Another process mentioned is to process it with Jayanti, Bhrangaraja and Agastya juices together, steamed for 3 hours and then steamed in goat's urine for another 3 hours. Then Manasila is washed with a sour well and it is Sodhita Manasila. Sattopatana. For the Sattopatana process, according to Rasatna Samuchaya, Manasila is mixed with 1/8 part of Mandura, Jaggery, Gugulu and cow's ghee and rubbed. Then it is heated in a sealed crucible intensely and the Sattva in the form of arsenic is occurred. With this procedure, it seems very difficult to get the extract of real gas because Manasila, that is arsenic disulfide, when heated will lose both arsenic as well as the sulfur. The remainder will be only a fraction of Manasila. The uses of Manasila Sattva are not mentioned in text. Properties. Manasila is Katu Tiktarasa, Katurasa Tiktarasa, Snigdha, Guna and Usna Virya, Lekhani, scraping effect, Guru, also heavy. It is useful in Kasa and Swasa, that is cough and asthmatic conditions. Bhutapadrava Vinasani, Agnimanda, useful in Agnimanda. Ksha, tuberculosis. Anaha, that is tympanitis. And Kandunasini, also useful in skin disease. Rasayani, it is Rasayana properties. And Jwarahara, also useful in elevating the fevers. Also, it is useful to promote the color complexion. And also Visapa, anti-toxicity. Specifically, the Manasila compositions are used in the disease like bronchial asthma, tuberculosis, cough, fever and itching. Ashuddha and Amarita Manasila may cause asmari, that is stones, Mutrakutra, scanty urination. So, Ashuddha Manasila should not be used. It will also cause Mandagni and constipations. So it should be used after Sodhana and Marana for useful in any type of disease. Adverse reaction management to counter the adverse reactions. Manasila should be for Dosasanti, Madhu and Godugdha should be used. In some other reference, it is Sindhura Rasa and Sitabaladi Churna with Madhu for 7 days is recommended. The dose recommended is 1/32 Rati to 1/16 Rati. And some important formulations are Swasa Kuthara Rasa, Samira Pannaga Rasa, Jalodharari Rasa, Kalakuta Rasa, Ratnagiri Rasa, etc. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, then mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.